No one died today. At least not anyone that really mattered. Just some old guy that no one seemed to know.
There once was a man, or even a woman or two, who quietly slipped into their own private hell today. You may have even seen them. You may have passed them on the street. You may have said a casual hello, how are you? But you really didn't care how they were or how they felt. You didn't have time to give a kind word or lend a willing ear. You made excuses that really were just lies in disguise, so you could get on with your life and ignore another person in pain. I heard in the news the other day of a retired man living alone who was found dead in his home. His neighbors said he was a quiet man who kept to himself. Although they used to see him in the yard on occasion, they admitted they hadn't seen him in quite some time. Were I not for a distant relative who became concerned enough to call police in his neighborhood for a welfare check, there isn't any way to know how long he would have laid dead in his home. Preliminary estimates suggest that he was dead at least 4 months. Imagine that. For at least 4 months, no one in his neighborhood saw or heard from him. And no one missed him enough or even took the time just to knock on his door to check on him. According to the preliminary examinations, he appears to have died of natural causes. But that isn't really true. More than anything, he died of isolation and loneliness. A broken heart from being alone can rob a person of their own self-worth. You are a senior living and dealing with isolation and loneliness through physical or financial limitations. Fear not, for even in the deepest, darkest moments of your life, I am the seer who has come to help you light your way out of the darkness and unlock your dreams, giving you every opportunity to live your life on your terms. Each of us have experienced various degrees of isolation over the years. If your level of isolation and being alone has become debilitating, I am here to help.